Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Fahetika, kelas 9C, nomor absen 24. The Legend of Saladin. Many years ago, there was a very handsome. He taught people about the meaning of life and about religion. He is now a Sunan Kalijaga. He traveled to spread his precious lesson. One day, Sunan Kalijaga arrived at the village. Sunan went to the village chief house. Then Sunan Kalijaga asked for a job without telling his real name. The wife of the chief said he could have good crush. Sunan named the place Salatiga, which means three warm people. The three warm people were the chief, his wife, and also the lover who loves collecting things, and now the village is now Salatiga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.